guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and today's video is about top career opportunities in foreign language. And this video is all about jobs in India, okay? I'm not talking about all over the world. And also this video is not wholly dedicated to just German, but all other languages, all other foreign languages. For a fact, if I'll talk about German, we know that it is the most widely spoken language in Europe, and just because of this we have a lot of opportunities in India, like literally a lot of opportunities. So in today's video I'll be covering all of it, and in case you have any queries regarding it, you can DM me on my Instagram. The link for it is in the description box below, and I do reply to all the queries on my Instagram. So without thinking, if you have any doubts, you can ping me there. Fluency in German language in India has opened numerous job opportunities like education, IT, logistics, automobile, IT, mass media, journalism, outsourcing. So we have a lot of opportunities. I really hope this video is helpful to everyone. So the first most demanding career is translator. No matter what language you know, like what foreign language you know, you can be a translator. Not just you have to work in a private or public sector, you can also do freelancing in the translation. And without even a second thought, you know for a fact that how good is the salary of a translator is. So I guess it's really nice if you like a language, and translator's job is pretty simple. You just have to translate a document in another language. So for a fact, if I know Hindi and English, so I can translate a document in English. That's how, and it's really easy if you know a language. Also, you get good amount of money in it. You literally have to convey the meaning of the written words from one language to another. I guess it's a great deal. So the second one is jobs in MNCs. So there are voice process and chat process, both, and you get to talk to people, like you get to talk to people living in Germany in the language. So for example, if you want to improve your skills, you can do this. And for a fresher, if I say, like, I'm not sure about the salary of a person who is pretty experienced, the salary of a fresher is pretty good if you compare it with people who doesn't know a foreign language. And if you know it, it's so obvious, you know, the demand is really high. The demand for foreign languages in India is really, really high. It's just you're studying something. For example, I like German, so I'm studying it, and I'm getting good pay for that. I don't know what else. Also, I feel that, you know, this thing brings a lot of confidence in you. आपकी पर्सनल ग्रोथ अच्छे से होती है if you're interested in MNCs, okay? And there are two processes, like voice and chat process. In voice, I guess you have to talk to people in the language, and then in chat process, maybe you have to do emails and stuff. I don't know about the details, but then yeah, this is what I've heard from other people, my other friends, or then maybe people who are working in some other company doing the same German process. Now the third one is my favorite, professors in universities. If you love teaching, you can become a professor either in a private university or in government university. For a fact, how good the income of the professors are. Like, I'm not saying they earn in like crores, but then I guess if you like teaching, this is amazing. You can also open your own institute, that's also fine. But then for a fact, you know कि बहुत सारे लोगों को German सीखनी है, and teachers are not really enough in comparison to the students. So the demand is there, okay? In India, the demand is there for foreign language teachers, and if you get a chance to teach in a university, amazing. Also, you can teach in a school, like professors तो universities में पढ़ाते हैं, colleges में पढ़ाते हैं. You can actually teach in the school as well. I guess बहुत सारे स्कूलों ने बहुत सारी foreign languages adopt करी हुई है. French, German, Spanish, not sure, maybe Japanese. I've never heard of it, but then I guess maybe. And I really think that if you like teaching, opportunities as a professor or a teacher, or maybe open your own institute, I guess it's perfect. It's amazing. You can also become a content writer, okay? Apart from teaching, you can also become a content writer in some company, or again you can do freelancing. So content writing is a profession which will never end. Like हमेशा किसी ना किसी topic की need होगी. You can do blogging as well, and then like blogging, content writing, and maybe vlogging. It's just, you know, different aspects, different opportunities, I'll say. And the last one is working in German embassy. If you know this language, like I'm talking particularly about German, I guess, yeah. So you can work in German embassy, and I guess it's amazing. मतलब बहुत सारी opportunities होती है, and I am not able to list down all the opportunities, all the job opportunities, career opportunities which I know. So I might make another video which would be a continuation of this video, and I'll let you know if there are some more opportunities for you guys. In case any queries, you can DM me on my Instagram. The link is in the description box below. So I hope this video is helpful to everyone out there who is studying German or maybe any foreign language and is confused कि हम आगे क्या करें. So take care, stay safe. Till then, cheers.